To aim, look down the gun with your dominant eye and other eye closed. Then line up the rear sight with the front sight so that the front sight is perfectly in the middle. And the target you're aiming for should be directly above it, sitting on the front sight.
Okay, now we're ready to shoot this speeder.
So it's already loaded and I have an appropriate can to shoot. So safety's off, cock it, now I'm ready to aim. Okay, so I'm all lined up. I can put my finger on the trigger and squeeze.